It's my birthday weekend. I don't own the rights to this music. I'm at Starbucks, all right? So Starbucks, if you hear this, this is the Starbucks is playing the music. Now, I'm going to sit here and break down 13 years of slavery, 13 years of being black in Baltimore. I started this in 2006 with the Get Shorty program. It was about gangs, guns, and violence. It was about the murder and the death of our kids in Baltimore. We was burying our kids, and our kids supposed to bury us, all right? I got movie releases. Making a movie was called Letters Design. That was one movie. I had 13 other movies. One was called Racism. One was called Portraits of a Letter, and that dealt with the media. It dealt with Jane Miller. It dealt with Fox 45. On November 2006, Governor O'Malley approved my Get Shorty program. On December the 2nd, 2006, my son, Jarrell Davis, was murdered in Chicago. Now, I got 4 kids by 6 different women in 4 different states. 2 of my kids ain't my kids. I didn't go on Jerry Springer to say this ain't my kid. I didn't do all that. I took care of my kids even though they weren't mine. I knew they weren't mine. Jarrell Ray Davis is not my blood son, and Dwayne Gerald Davis Jr. is not my blood son. These are facts, all right? I was a drug dealer and a pimp. I was all these things back in the day. So I took care of yours, mine, and ours. I took care of Gerald Davis since he was 6 weeks old. His mother didn't want him. She was discarding him. So I took him and named him. I named him. I claimed him and I named him. But they say the people that you love the most hurt you the worst. And Dwayne Gerald Davis Jr., man, even though you ain't my son, I loved you like you was my own. I gave you something that your father and your family never gave you. I gave you a name. I gave you a purpose in life. So understand what I'm telling you here. On December the 2nd, when Jarrell died, a lot of things came to the light. I never told y'all who your daddies was because mama's baby's papa's maybe. You feel me? I knew Jarrell was my son since he was 8 years old, but that didn't stop me from being his father. You feel me? I'm a father to my kids, all mine. They know who their daddy is. I even got people's kids that ain't my kids that I'm a father to. You feel me? But that's a whole nother story. I went home on vacation in 2007 because I went to file a class action lawsuit against the state of Maryland about the prison industry, the war on drugs, the shooting and the violence, the guns and shit like that. Y'all locked me up and charged me with terrorism. On February the 8th, 2008, Jake Davis and James Hammond wrote an illegal lease on my property. Jake Davis was fired in November of 2007, and I got videos to prove it. Rob Fix got a movie called Letters Design, and it shows where Jake was running my store illegally. I also have Jake's name on movie releases, James Hammond's name on movie releases. I got like 500 people's names on these movie releases. Ain't no law against making a movie. It is a law against kidnapping. It is against a law against theft. It is a law against perjury. It is a law against fraud. So I want Jake Davis, James Hammond, Paul Weinblatt, Deron Battle, Dwayne Gerald Davis Jr., Michael Coombs, Darlene Davis, criminally charged with identity theft, fraud, unjust enrichment, and Shellenberger needs to be charged too. Because the movie was about your prison industry and the way that y'all treat black people. I am Dred Scott. Blacks have no rights in which white people respect. Dog, I got everything I need on film. I, Jackson, Mary Mubala. I went to jail in Maryland and I went to jail in Illinois to show the bail bondsmen, the money that y'all put in people's pockets. Bobby Zirkin, Cheryl Glenn, Mayor Kathleen Pugh, Mayor Stephanie Rawlins Blake. Yeah. The movie was about the Democratic Party in Maryland and the Republican Party in Illinois. I'm a black Republican. Dred Scott was a free man in one state and a slave in another. Ain't no law against making a movie. 2020, I want what belongs to me. I want a federal and a state audit because I'm getting ready to open up a Shorty production company. When I open this company up, I don't want nobody talking about our own shit. Pay me. Told you when I started this. That's my crown. I'm still got it. Yeah. I'm still in the game, dog. I'm a hustler. I'm a finesse hustler. On February the 8th, Jake Davis and James Hammond wrote a lease on Falls Road that released me from all financial responsibilities of that property. On February the 21st, Deron Battle came to the state of Illinois and told my lawyer, Karen Levy, that I was crazy because Jarrell got killed. No, I want that $2.5 billion class action lawsuit. Deron Battle was collecting money off of Philip Davis. Deron Battle filed false taxes from Philip Davis. Jake filed false taxes. So in 2020, I want a federal and state audit. I want all my money. I'm out $2.6 million. $2.6 million because I was making a movie about Governor Hogan. Governor Hogan, Kiefer Mitchell, Bush, Miller. We're talking about the prison industry and the money that the state of Maryland makes off of locking up black bodies. We're talking about the opioids versus legal marijuana. We're talking about the war on drugs and mass incarceration. Y'all made me famous for toilets. It's about the 13th Amendment. All right, and it's about the Constitution. And this is my soapbox. You feel me? Y'all like Trump and y'all talk about Trump. Y'all voted for this shit. And the enemy of my enemy gonna be my friend, because see, I'm a black Republican, and what I did was I was turning in Democrats. So I'm gonna turn in Governor Hogan too. If Blagojevich can go to jail for selling Congressman if Blagojevich can go to jail for selling Congressman Obama's seat, Governor Hogan can go to jail for racketeering and fraud in the court. Governor Hogan participated in this racketeering and fraud since 2014. Governor Hogan, I gave Governor Hogan my whistleblower's application. Governor Hogan tried to lock me up. Governor Hogan had me physically removed from Annapolis State from the police signing bill. Governor Hogan can go to jail. Scott Shellenberger, Governor Hogan, Bobby Zirkin, Lafferty. Yeah, like I said, I'm a whistleblower. And Robert Hur has this information. I turned in Cheryl Glenn. I turned in Zirkin. I turned them all in 2016. Marilyn Mosby had this since 2014. So 2020, when Robert Hur comes up in January for Cheryl Glenn's arraignment at the federal courthouse, I'm going to hand him my whistleblower's application. I'm going to hand him the breakdown of Governor O'Malley's criminal enterprise. I just don't want Cheryl Glenn. I want Teller Branch. I want Jill P. Carter. Yeah. I want McIntosh. I want Sandy Rosenberg. I want all 52 of the Democrats that participated in my kidnapping in 2011. Got a problem with me? Holler at me. We're talking about the 13th Amendment and the money that y'all make off of black bodies. We traded the penitentiary for the plantation cotton for cocaine, and we the cash crop. I'm telling my story, and it's going international. Because in 2020, I'm getting ready to apply for political asylum. I'm going to apply for political asylum because I'm a political prisoner. The war on drugs is a political war. It ain't a real war. It's a war on black America, and we're going to talk about it. Starbucks, one cup at a time. We're international. Shorties and Starbucks, the story that nobody wants to talk about. The 13th Amendment in Maryland. 13th Amendment in Governor Hogan. Yeah, the 13th Amendment. Had my birthday. I was supposed to be in Las Vegas. I was supposed to be in Vegas, but y'all locked me up. So since I'm here, I'm going to make the best of this shit. I'm going to turn shit to sugar and sugar to shit and have fun doing it. I'm going to shut down Fox 45 in 2020. I'm going to make this my mission. Fox 45 will no longer do live feeds on the streets. If I see you on the streets, anywhere I see Fox 45, I'm going to pop up, pop off, and I'm going to shut that shit down. Kai Jackson, Mary Mubala, you need to retire. You need to go into retirement, because if you don't, you're going to wish you did. The same way that I did Keith Daniels, the same way that I did Keith Daniels, I'm going to do to you. And I got all kind of little dumbass shit to do to you. I see Keith Daniels, I see Fox 45, I'm going to do this to you. I'm going to emoji you. and I'm gonna light your asses up. I'm gonna shit on you. I'm gonna shit on you. I see Keith Daniels. I'm gonna shit on you. When y'all have y'all's news conferences, I'm gonna put this in front of the news conference and I'm gonna shit on you. Yeah. I'm gonna shit on you. Y'all made me famous for toilets. I'm gonna take a negative and turn it into a positive. I'm gonna be selling toilets. I'm gonna have a kiosk with all kind of shitty shit. And I'm gonna put your names on it. And I'm gonna dare you to do something about it. Getting ready to put a toilet in front of Congressman Cummings' house or Congressman Cummings' job or Marilyn Mosby's house or her job. I might put it in front of the States Attorney's office and the Inspector General, because the Inspector General and Robert Hur supposed to have an investigation. I'm a whistleblower. 2020, I want all 52 of you motherfuckers locked up. Don't lock them up. Can't stop the movie. You can't stop the movie. You can't stop the movie. Killing me, you can't stop the movie, because I just talked to my daughter. I'm getting ready to talk to my other daughter. We're getting ready to open up a corporation. We're going to make this corporation off of y'all because you took my money. Jake Davis took my money. I'm out $2.6 million. You got to compensate me for my losses. City, county, state, and federal levels. I'm a whistleblower. And we're going to show you how you've been making money off of the prison industry. I'm in a win-win situation. Heads I win, tails you lose. Johnny Oleski asked for a federal investigation in 2019, February. It's January and 4 more days. You ain't did your job yet. In 2020, I'm gonna be shutting shit down. You can lock me up. When you lock me up, we go to court. We go to court. We go to court. You gotta bring all that out. We go to court. We're gonna talk about the 13th Amendment. We go to court. This is my evidence. My phone. Google me. That's it. That's all I'm gonna use is Google. Google Pictures, Google Chrome, Squib. Man, I got everything I'm ready for this. The question is, are you? 2020, handle your business, because I'm going to be in Annapolis. And I'm going to shut shit down.